Hi, my name is Rhea Terburg, Realtor for Yakwa Realtors. Please give me a call to learn more how we can work together to buy or sell in this market. Over 8 rolling acres located between Plainwell and Richland in the Gull Lake Community Schools district. This versatile property features a 40 by 60 pole barn previously utilized by a honeybee operation, offering excellent potential for agricultural use, hobby farming, storage, workshop space, or future business opportunities. The property features beautiful rolling terrain with a peaceful country setting while still offering convenient access to nearby amenities and major roadways. According to the township master plan, future land use may support light industrial opportunities, creating long-term investment and development potential for buyers looking toward future growth. Whether you're searching for a private building site, business location, investment property, or multi-use acreage, this unique parcel offers flexibility, functionality, and future upside.